101 AAI 201. This is the BTech first year and first semester and second semester of course Introduction to AI and Prompt Engineering. Two credit subject of 30 hours to complete this course. Now the total used tool use ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Cooperators, free trial, barriers based. Course objective is understanding what artificial intelligence is, it is history, and how it is changing every engineering field. Understanding key AI concept, machine learning, deep learning, and neural network at concept level. Third is explore how AI is applied across domains, healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, finance, and education. Now the fourth is understanding generative AI. AI, which means artificial intelligence, how large language model LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini work. Now the fifth is learn and practice prompt engineering, the skill of communicating effectively with AI tool to get useful result. Now there are 5 units. Now the first unit is introduction to AI, introduction to artificial intelligence, definition, scope of AI, brief history from Alan Turing to ChatGPT, type of AI, narrow AI, general AI, super AI, concept पढ़ना है इसका बहुत डिटेल नहीं पढ़ना AI and AI vs machine learning vs deep learning, what is difference, how machine learning and data pattern and prediction concept. Fourth is AI today, where is already exist in daily life, Google Map, Spotify, Netflix, Google Photos, voice assistant. The fifth is machine learning concepts like learning strategy, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. Now the sixth is data visualization, data pre-processing. Now proceed to second unit, core AI concept. Just like machine learning classification technique, K nearest neighbors, KNN, Navins, Bayes, closure technique, K means classification merits, accuracy, precaution, recalls, FI score, MAE. The third is natural network concept of neurons, layer, weight, simple diagram की बेस पढ़ना है. Fourth is deep learning, what make it deep, why is net GPU, CNN. Computer vision like how AI see image, face recognition, medical imaging. जैसे मोबाइल में ये दिखाया तो कैमरा लगा होता तो कैसे फेस रिकॉग्निशन करता है उसके बारे में. नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग एंड NLP, how AI understand text and speech. Now the third unit is generative AI and large language model. So what is generative AI? AI that create text, image, code, audio, video. Large language model LLMs. What they are, how to they are training concept. Popular LLMs like ChatGPT, OpenAI, Gemini, Google, Cloud, Anthropics, Lemma, Meta, token concept window, temperature, simple explanation. Fifth, multimodal AI, text plus image plus voice in one model. ChatGPT 4.0, Gemini concept, AI model generative, stable diffusion, Midjourney, Dell E concept plus demo, limitation of LLMs, hallucination, knowledge, cutoff, bias, responsible use, academic integrity, plagiarism, AI generative content disclosure. Now we proceed from Unit 4 AI application across engineering domain. AI in civil engineering, just like structural health monitoring, is smart criticized traffic optimization. AI in machine mechanical engineering, जैसे predictive maintenance, design of automation, robot. AI in electrical and electronics, smart grid, fault detection, VLSI design automation. AI in ESC which means electronics, CSC which means computer science, code generative जैसे GitHub, Copilot, cyber security, natural language interface, AI in biotechnology and healthcare like drugs discovery, medical imagination, geomasis, behaviorals, AI in agriculture engineering like precaution farming, crop monitoring, drone based spraying, soil analysis, AI in chemical and textile engineering, process optimization, quality control, material design, ethics concept like bias in AI, data privacy, job displacement, responsible AI. Basically, this is all about of AI and prompt. Now proceed from Unit 5, prompt engineering. How we use AI using the prompt. Now the first is what is prompt? The instruction you give to an AI model. कोई भी चीज़ हम AI मॉडल को देते हैं यूज करने के लिए या फिर उसको जनरेटिव करने के लिए तो जो इंस्ट्रक्शन हम देते हैं उसको प्रॉम्प्ट बोलते हैं. Why prompt quality matter? Same AI, very different result with different prompt. Principle of good prompting, clarity, context, specificity, role assessment, format instruction. Promoting technique, zero shot prompting, direct question, few shot prompting, give example in a prompt, chain of thought prompting, ask AI to think step by step, role prompting, act as a civil engineer. And now the fifth is prompt for different tasks, summarization, explanation, code generative, report writing, brainstorming, translation, domain specific prompting like student write prompt relevant to their own branch like CE, civil engineering, ME, mechanical engineering, BT, AG, etc. AI tool for engineering just like GitHub, Copilot code, Grammarly, writing, consensus research, Wolfare Alpha, Canva AI, Notation AI. This